Okay, so now let's build out the product details component. So first off, we need to come to our file explorer, and inside of our component, remember we have this product component product folder that we created. So inside of this product folder, I'll create another folder which I'm going to call product details. Oh, sorry, not the protect, product. So product. So create another folder, and I'll call that product details. Detail, actually. Anyway, detail is fine. Then hit enter on that. Okay, so now inside of this new, wait, oh, I hope I did not create it somewhere else. Oh, this is product summary. Sorry about that. I need to delete this, or I just need to move it into the product folder, which is at the top. So you see, this is where I need to move it. So I'll just select and move it to the products folder. So you see, we now have it out inside the products folder directly. Okay, great. So I'll open that, and I'll create two files. The first one is going to be product detail.js, and then as for the CSS file, I'm just going to drag and drop the CSS file that I already have attached to that. You know where to find the CSS file in our CSS GitHub repository for this project. So I'll just drop mine here, and let's be sure. So you see we have product details.scss. Now let's create a React boilerplate for this component, RAFCE, and I'll hit enter on that. Then while I'm here, let me just import the CSS file because I don't want it to be something I forget. Great. So now I'll create a route that will point to this product details page, and that's going to be inside of our app. So I'll go to the app, and I'll just duplicate this route here, this one, like so, and then here I'll just change the URL. So this product details, it's going to have a params. What that means is that by the time we say product details, it's not going to have / and then the ID of the products. That's params. So how do we achieve that? Well, I'm just going to come here, and first off, I'll change the link to product details, product hyphen detail, and then I'll now say / params. You use colon, and then for us, I'm just going to save the params as the ID. So that's the params. Then lastly, you now point it to the component you want. So in our case, it's product detail, and then let's also import it. So let me auto import it, I think. Oh, for some reason it's not auto importing. I hope I spelled it correctly. Product detail. Oh, I know I did not auto import. It didn't auto import because I mistakenly named the file with small letter. So you see, it's supposed to start with a capital letter if it's a component. So let's just rename that as quickly as we can. So here I'll just press F2 here, and then just change this P to capital letter. Save that, and then just recreate the component. So RAFCE, and now we now have, oh, it's still saving with small letter, so I guess we just have to do it manually. So here I'll just say capital letter P, and I hope this doesn't become an issue when we launch to production. Anyway, I've not made a commit, so I don't think it will. So I'll save that, and then if I come back to my app, I should be able to import it. So I'll try it again, product details. So you see we can now find that. So I'll import it, and then I'll save. Okay, I think we should just test it out. So I'll come to this our project here, and what's going on here? Product details.js does not match the corresponding name, blah blah blah. Okay, so let me look at it. No, I don't think this error is still current. I think it's the previous error from. So we shouldn't have that error. Oh, okay, apparently we still have the error product details. And where is it coming from? App.js. Oh, okay. So all right, so let me correct that here as well. So this should be capital letter. That's where the problem was. If you save that now, we should not have any problem. Aha, so you see everything is fine. So now I wanted us to test out the product details link. So I'll just come here and change this dashboard to product detail, product hyphen detail, and then I'll just add any param, so /123, and then hit enter. We should be able to get the product details page. So you see we have product details here. Great, so we're on track. So let's come back and minimize this guy, and then we'll now start working on the product details page. So I'll come to product details, and since we created the route in this one, in the next video we are going to start working directly on this page. See you there.